Hi there, I'm Jeanette Lane, and I'm so excited to introduce to you our very first wonderful designer for the Papercraft Society monthly subscription box, our friend Christina Griffiths.
Hello everybody. Hi Jeanette.
Hi.
I'm so thrilled to be the first featured designer for this Papercraft Society box. It's beautiful.
I know, we are so delighted to have you with us, and we're going to keep the contents of the box a secret, top secret, so that our subscribers can have the delight of opening it up when they get it in their mailbox. But can you give us an idea of what they can expect? Give us a little teaser.
Yes, I can. I've created some new and exclusive designs and projects that are perfect for everyone who papercrafts. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced crafter, there'll be something for you to help you develop your skills.
Now, it's going to be gorgeous because everything that Christina does is gorgeous. And to receive box 1 of Papercraft Society, you're going to need to sign up before September 14th.
You will, because quantities of this are very limited. So if you really do want one of these boxes, you're going to have to sign up pretty quick.
Yeah, don't miss out. So make sure to visit craftstash.co.uk/Papercraft Society to find out how to subscribe and also more details on our newsletter. So much. Make sure you head there.